Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets are off to a mixed start as we go into the morning break. You got corn and wheat lower while beans are higher. We got the acreage estimates out of the USDA Ag Forum this morning. So it's a presentation. You're never 100% certain when these things are going to come out, but they led off with them this morning. Corn came in at 89 million acres, which is pretty much right where the trade was expecting it to come in. You had some 88, some 89, some 90 as far as what analysts were predicting, but 89 seemed to be a pretty good consensus of where people thought they were going to come in at. Came in right there. Beans came in at 83.5 million acres, which is a little bit below where the trade was expecting it to come in. So saw the market pop a little bit when that came out this morning. It came out before the market pause in the morning session. So saw a little bit of a bullish reaction to that. Not surprising, as most of the trade thought that was going to be a little higher. And then all wheat came in at 55.5 million acres. So again, this Ag Forum is a presentation. There's not specific times when everything is released. You've got a good idea when things are going to come out, but there's no specific time like the WASDE where we know it's going to be released at 11 a.m. Central and everybody has access to it. This is a presentation, so you never know when these things are going to come out, but we will get the full balance sheet tomorrow. So similar to the balance sheets that you see in the WASDE report, those will be released tomorrow, so we'll get an idea based on a full balance sheet what the USDA is thinking. So get that tomorrow. Definitely keep you updated as things come out in that report. Thing to keep your eye on is March option expiration is tomorrow. So if you've got anything hovering around some popular strike levels or where the markets are trading right now, you want to keep your eye on that. And then lastly, we're going to close out some wheat. Markets had a little trouble yesterday based on the fact that we got a tender offer from Egypt for some wheat and our prices were simply too high. Pretty much everybody out on the export market is cheaper than U.S. wheat right now. We've got a lot of quantity, but the problem right now is quality. So of the quality wheat that we do have to ship, we're having to charge a higher price, and that's why this upcoming wheat crop is so pivotal. That way we can blend some higher quality wheat with some of the lower quality wheat and hopefully be a little more competitive on the export market. But the wheat market struggled a little bit yesterday. It was disappointing to see us not get any of that Egyptian tender. So anyways, that's all we've got for today. We'll keep you updated on the Ag Forum, let you know if anything new comes out between now and tomorrow, and let you know if it does on the Wilkins Ag Wire. So thanks, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels trading broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Trading, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielstrading.com. Daniels Trading is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Trading does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.